Hey there, this is Jen from Noting Grace, and today I can't wait to show you how to install and lime wash your own thin brick veneer wall. Here's a list of some of the supplies you'll need for this project. We started by mixing together some Thinset that is designed to hold the brick veneer. We immediately noticed how easy it was to work with the General Shale thin brick. It's a great idea to have a small level on hand to make sure that you stay straight. We really wanted to see a defined mortar line, so we opted to use spacers to space each brick to get the look that we wanted. And just like that, we had a brick wall. All we had to do was wait for the Thinset to dry, and then we could start to mortar. The mortar application was really easy, very similar to how you would grout tile. We used a rubber trowel or sometimes even a metal spackle to get into some of those deep grout lines. The mortar goes on dark but dries this beautiful light color. This is General Shale's Smokestack brick, and I love the color variances it has. Once the mortar was dry, we were ready to lime wash. Using Romabio's Classico Lime Wash in Cristallo White, Avorio White, and a custom tint of Young House Love's Silver Mist, I was able to create this beautiful antiqued wall. First, you want to use a spray bottle filled with some water to wet the brick. I started by applying the lime wash in 3 different colors in various spots across the wall. A different technique I used was loading up drywall knives with the lime wash and then running that down the face of the brick to create a unique look. I followed that up with some brush strokes to blend those edges in. Some last-minute touch-ups, and we called it done. And just look at this stunning wall. It's definitely the showstopper once you enter this room. And for someone who's never laid brick before, this thin brick veneer was so simple. Anyone can do it. If we can do it, you can do it. I can't believe that we went from this boring and bland before to this incredibly stunning after.